So we got our newest set today. We got the Police Pursuit from 2019. This is a pretty cool set. I bought this off eBay. So let's see. So you can see it's already been opened. I asked the person that I bought it from to disassemble the entire car so we can get it built out here for you guys. Make sure yep, nothing left. This is just gonna be a one video, so we'll get everything going for this video, and that's it. This is my first time buying a set that's already been built. I was actually looking for this set, fun fact, because I wanted to do something with this. This is one of the sets that does a combined. So you take two sets and make it into one. So I was actually looking for this set, and I was able to find this one for pretty cheap. So I decided to go ahead and buy it. And then I found the other one too. That one is still on active bid. I am the winning bid as of today. Let's hope we continue to become the winning bid. But let me show you what I mean. So the end over here. So these two sets can be combined together to make this one, which I find really cool. But I wanted to try to do something like that, so I went ahead and did that. You can see how different these are from the original, like these Legos nowadays. But let's just get right into it. And I thought it was fitting for the show that I'm watching too. I'm watching the Rookie. So it's all about police cars and stuff like that. So I wanted to build something like that. Boom. Wow, we're immediately using the mortar. That's pretty cool. And fast, to be honest with you. Yeah, I'm not sure why I didn't buy this set when it first came out, back in 2019. This set did come out in 2019, I should have said that already. But I'm not sure why I didn't buy it back then, because I was into Legos. But I think it's just because police cars weren't my thing back then. And I remember actually what I was doing back then was I was saving money for the Bugatti. But I was never able to save enough money to buy that Bugatti, unfortunately. And I think ever since then I was discouraged to continue to build. And I stopped building for a while. And then I got back into it in let's see, when did I get back into it? I'm trying to think. Got back into it in 2021. Unfortunately, I was a little impulsive back then. And when I started building, I thought, hey, I'm never going to build again. So I threw all my sets away. That was stupid of me. And I was also a little impulsive and emotional. And a lot was going on then too, so. But now we're back into it. I love it again. I don't think I'm gonna be throwing away any sets. If I stop liking Lego, I'm probably gonna sell the sets instead of throwing them away. But I most likely will not be doing that. Yeah, I'm not gonna throw them away, nor am I gonna sell them if that happens. I'm also hoping all these parts are in here. So far, they're looking good. The most important one is right here in my hands. This mortar. This is probably the most important part that has to be here. Let's see, where is that? Is that where the orange is? Okay, I think that's where the orange is. Sorry, I was just looking for something. Okay, I was able to get this set for $5. And so far, I'm winning the next set for $5 as well. So hopefully we can get everything for $10. Oops. There we go. Yeah, I think this is a good spot to stop and then get everything sorted. Once I do, I'll come back and I'll show you guys the rest of the building process. Okay, so we got everything sorted out. So let's just get right into it. So, unfortunately, we are missing one singular piece. I literally just finished ordering it off Lego, so hopefully we get that soon. I'm not sure when we're gonna get that, but we're still gonna complete this build. It's not gonna stop us from finishing what we need to do. But it's just unfortunate. That's all it is. But once you get the proper piece, we will fix that, and I'll show you guys on camera the 100% build. Hopefully we get the Corvette, or not the Corvette one, the Bugatti one soon too, because I'm missing the tires in there. I feel like every time I order it from eBay, I'm missing a piece, so I don't know if it's the person that's taking it or what's going on. But I feel like every time I'm ordering it off eBay, we have a piece missing. It's this piece right here. So I did order that. And it's not like it's an expensive piece or a hard piece to get, but it's just annoying, to be honest with you. And I hope they can give me a retired set piece back. That's what I'm hoping for right now. So we'll see. It's not like a special piece just for this build. Now that I'm thinking about it, it's not really just like that. It's just a little Technic piece that is common on most Technic cars. That was right. There we go. But let's not let that discourage us from finishing this build. It's super weird how old sets were built out. Now I'm curious on how the Bugatti's gonna be, because both of these sets were out at the same exact time. So I'm curious on how detailed the Bugatti is. And how difficult the instructions are going to be compared to the McLaren. and these are stickers. These are stickers, and these are stickers. I think there's only 4 stickers on this entire set. So you can tell the difference because see how yellow this is and see how white that is. But these stickers are placed very well, to be honest with you. There we go. Let me know if anybody knows that somebody that has the Bugatti Chiron. I'm interested in buying that. And if anybody's located near the Ohio, Michigan, Wisconsin area, I'm more than willing to come out there. I got a trip going over there soon, so maybe I'll buy it before I go on my trip. If you do have it built out, I will still buy it. I just request that you take it apart for me because I don't want to see how any of the steps are going to be. Or if you can't, I mean, I'm more than happy to take it off, to be honest with you. I just don't want to know what's in the pieces, but I understand if you can't. I mean, it's what, 3,400 pieces? I believe, something like that. Even how they put on the wheels is weird. Back then, compared to how it is now. I think I actually have a car that I put on the wheels like this recently. No, not recently. I shouldn't say that. I should say like not too long ago. There you go. The police car is fully built out and it does drive. This just has to be adjusted a little bit. Oh, that is a lot faster than I thought. Just had to be adjusted a little bit. But thank you for joining me on this one, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.